everyone, welcome back to this house of fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut this lovely style you are seeing on the screen. Yes, you can see I'm making use of this Ankara fabric to cut it out. I'll be making use of 4 yards of this fabric to cut out the style, and this is the facing I'm using. So the first thing I'm going to cut out is going to be the half cut. Yeah, so let me deduct the half cut out, then cut it. So this is after folding it out into 4 with a zip allowance at the back. As you can see, I'm using 1 inch of zip allowance here. The next thing I'm going to take here is the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement I will be using here is 8.5 inches. That is for back 17. With a shoulder slant of ½ inch. This is not constant. You can also make use of 1 inch of shoulder slant. Then I'm going to slant it up to the center of both back and front this way. So the next thing here is to take the armhole measurement. The arm measurement here is going to be 8 inches, and where this is it, you can see. And this is the point I'm going to take my bust measurement, the line of the armhole. And here is it. So I'll be taking a bust measurement of 48 inches. 48 inches for the bust measurement. That's 12 in 4 places. 12 in 4 places. You can see. Here is it. With a seam allowance of 1.5 inches. Then I'll come to the waist. Is a waist 42, so that is 10.5 in 4 places is going to give us 42 inches. And here is it with a seam allowance of 2 inches. So I would like to add ½ inch to the bust area too, to make it 2 inches of seam allowance, as you can see. Then I'm going to connect them together like this, you can see, slantly. So, and this line is going to be a straight line, as you can see. Let me just make it straight for you to see it properly. So the next thing is the line of the shoulder coming down to the armhole. You can see what I'm straightening down. Then to bring out the shape of the armhole, I would like to take some inches up, like 1.5 inches like this. Then at the other side also 1.5 inches. Then I will now connect them together to give me the shape of the armhole. This way, you can see. And you can also make use of armhole core to make it very okay. So from here, I'll be slanting it down from the center to the shoulder slant of ½ inch, then to the armhole, like this. Bust line, you can see, to the bust line with the allowance. Then from here, since this particular dress is going to have a princess dart, I want the bust line to be the same as the waist measurement, so that by the time I deduct some inches at the that area here, is going to give me the exact measurement with a seam allowance. So this is now how I'm going to do it. I'm going to straighten it down. I'm going to have a straight cut like this. Then I'm going to cut it down. So the next thing here is to take out our princess dart, which I will be making use of 5 inches here, 5 inches. Then the next thing to take here is the breast point of 12 inches, and here is it. So this is the breast point. Then from the breast point, we're going to take the distance of the 2 busts, which is going to be 8, but we're going to use 4 inches. Then from here, I'm going to connect it slantly to the armhole. So I want to make use of my armhole core to bring out the shape of the breast cut, the princess cut. So from here like this to the armhole, you can see. Then I'm going to make use of a ruler to straighten it down to the half cut. You understand? So we're going to have a straight cut there, like this. So after this, I'm going to deduct some inches from the waist. So that's why we make the bust measurement to be the waist measurement as well, because of this deduction that we want to make. So I'll be reducing 1.5 inches. Then I'll make use of this ruler to straighten it. You can see like this. After connecting them like that, then I can now cut it out. You can see the shape of the bust is coming out already. Then I'll now start to cut to the point of the breast point and this other area too. So this is the area that is going out. You can see. So this is what is going out. Then from there, I'm going to the armhole. So after cutting it out this way, the next thing is to divide the back. If you are folding your fabric in such a way that your zip allowance is folded, so you're going to divide it into two just to open the folded part like this. Then after this, we are going to cut out the neckline. The neckline for the back, the neckline for the front. The neckline here is going to be a V neckline. It's not the main neckline on the thumbnail, like this. So the deepness of the V neckline here, I'm making use of 8.5. 8.5 is here. 8.5. Then the wideness is going to be 4 inches. The neck wideness is going to be 4 inches. Then from there, I'm going to connect them together like this. After the connection, I cannot cut it out. I cannot cut it out this way, like this. So after the cutting out of the V neckline for the front, you cannot go ahead and cut out the low back at the back. You can see I'm just notching out the part, the 4 inches wideness on the back as well, so that I won't exceed that place. So I cannot take it out now and take the length. The length of the V neck here is 12. This is the 12 inches. The 12 inches is here. Then from here, I'm going to cuff it down. It's a round neck, so then I cannot cut it out. You can see. So this is how low the back is going to be. So I told you I'm still going to turn this with a facing. We are done with the half cut now. Then the next thing here is to keep this aside and cut out the sleeve. So here is the folding out of the sleeve. You can see the length, the shape of the sleeve, then the wideness of the upper arm. That is what you're going to need here. The next thing, the first thing you're going to do here is to fold your fabric into 4 since you are cutting for both sleeves. Then the next thing is to take your length at which you want the shape of the sleeve to end. You can see it's head and 6 inches. Then the wideness of the arm is going to be 8.5. I'm using 8.5 inches here. As you can see, the 8.5 inches is with the seam allowance. Here is it. Then I'm connecting it up here like this. This is how it's going to be. So you cannot see the shape of the sleeve that look like eggs. So by the time I cut it out, you're going to see it properly, like this, like this. So this is how it's going to look like to bring out that shape of the sleeve. So that's why we are shaping it out this way. Then I want to trim this area since they are not equal, but the main length I used here was 9 inches length, 9 inches sleeve. You can see the shape. So that is how we are going to cut out the shape to bring out the puff. So we are done with the cuttings now. We have our half cut here, both back and front. Then we have our sleeve here, and this is the flay, the 180-degree flay. I decided not to cut it, not just to waste your time, because I've done many tutorials on how to cut this particular flay. This is 180-degree flay with a radius which is going to be our waist measurement. So this is how we're going to join it to the half cut to bring out the nice dress. So let me go and join everything together and show you the finishing. Welcome back. Here the finished work so far. This is after joining everything together, after turning them with facing. The mannequin is not the size of the measurement, that's why the front is opening that much. You can add any appliques of your choice, just beautify the center the way it is on the thumbnail. So this is the sleeve that my clients want, that's why I didn't make use of that. Then the princess dot at the center, at the front here, you can see how it looks like. If you're watching for the first time, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those who have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Always see my next tutorial. Bye.